Dude, when do we have to go?
I don't know.
What?
Bro.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to today's vlog. So today I'm going to my cousin's birthday. I'm gonna bring my GoPro and I'm gonna be doing some cool pool action shots like I kind of did with the video with Jason. But I guess that's it. That's all I really have to say.